Hi everyone, my name is Philip Bruce. I'm an estate planning attorney here in Minnesota, and what I want to talk about today is, can a healthcare directive, also called a healthcare proxy or a living will, be used for mental health care, and in particular advanced dementia and Alzheimer's? Can you use a healthcare directive for that? And the answer is not as simple as you might think. A healthcare directive allows you to authorize an agent, someone who can act on your behalf to make your healthcare decisions. They can talk to your healthcare professionals, good. They can consent to treatment, and they can withhold treatment depending on the healthcare directive, but those are pretty standard powers that we give. Once the healthcare directive is complete, it's important to get it executed. In Minnesota, you can either use a notary or two witnesses. Either one of those works to make sure your healthcare directive is effective. You have to sign it, and then you get a notary to watch that, or two witnesses to watch that, and now you have an effective healthcare directive. But there's one thing to keep in mind. If your healthcare directive is going to authorize your healthcare agent to authorize intrusive mental health care treatment, and this is things like neuroleptics. Bear in mind, neuroleptics can be used to treat Alzheimer's. Neuroleptics, but things like shock therapy, like some of these things, it might seem unlikely that we need them, but just bear in mind that if we want to authorize any of this stuff, neuroleptics though, that's an important concept. If you want your healthcare agent to be able to authorize that type of treatment for you, your healthcare directive can do that, but you must have two witnesses. The notary by itself won't work. Normally, it's notary or two witnesses. In this case, if your healthcare directive is going to authorize the use of intrusive mental health care treatments, you must have your signature witnessed by two people. And the reason for that makes total sense. The reason we have witnesses is we want to show that these people looked at you and didn't just identify who you are. That's what a notary does. Notary just says, yep, you're the person who's signing this. The witnesses, what they're doing is they're saying, yes, this person appears to be competent. This person appears to be free of influence. This person appears to know what they're doing. And of course, if we're authorizing intrusive mental health care, we definitely want to make sure that that's the case. So the answer is yes, healthcare directives can be used for treating, for authorizing your agent to assist with making decisions regarding the treating of Alzheimer's, dementia, etc. The limits are on intrusive healthcare if there aren't two witnesses. If there are two witnesses to the signature, you're in good shape. My name is Philip Bruce. Give me a shout, email, give our office a call with any questions.